Alright, hey dudes, this is Matt V2099 and this is the rubber band Glock. I will first say that this one is a very dangerous test. So I will be putting rubber bands over the muzzle of a loaded Glock. So ideally we'll do something like this. Fingers off the trigger, so I mean it's not going to shoot itself at me, but still it's pretty dangerous. How am I going to do this? Okay. I'm trying not to put my body in front of the muzzle. Whew. There we go, very carefully. So we put one rubber band on the Glock. Will this stop the Glock? Will the Glock still fire? This has been asked in the comments several times. I've thought of it a couple times on my own too. But this is kind of interesting. Will rubber bands stop a Glock? Just a simple function test. One rubber band wrapped twice. Function fine with one. I guess that means we need to put another rubber band on it. There is a gun chambered. This is very dangerous, so I'm being very careful and slow. I'm not touching the trigger, so I'm pretty confident in my abilities to do this. But I'm still going to go nice and slow. There we go. There's two rubber bands. You think it'll work? Yep, looks like it went back into battery. Let's put a couple more. All right. This is really dead. There we go. So this is four rubber bands. You think this will stop the Glock? Still works. We're gonna do one at a time. We'll put a couple more on there. Kind of dangerous to do 2 or 3 at a time. It's kind of dangerous to do this at all. If you think if it goes off like this and the slide's gonna hurt me, I've debunked that. You can hold the slide, you can put your thumb on the slide. There we go. That's 6 or 8, I don't even know what we're at now. Oh! Oh, it didn't even extract! The last round didn't even extract. Okay, so for you crazy dude who wanted to know how many rubber bands it would take to stop a Glock, I think it's like 4 double wrapped big bands. Okay. So I just manually chambered one. Let's shoot this. Okay, so it's in battery. Let's just keep going until I can't even physically do it. Everybody, there's like 5,000 people will think this is awesome, and then there'll be like 1,000 people who are gonna be like, unsub, you're crazy. Well, what ifs, dude? Okay, let's put a few more. We got a butt ton of rubber bands on there. Put a couple more. We're just gonna try to get it to the point where I can't even manually cycle it. Because I mean, it's a cool photo op. Has anybody ever seen this many rubber bands on a Glock before? Probably not. Break yourself, fool! That's cool. Oh. Ah, I got it. Actually, you know what would be better? At this point, it's probably safer to put rubber bands back here. I should have started out that way, actually. It's probably just safer altogether. Look at that. A lot of people ask for brass. I've been saving it a long time. So don't worry. One of these days, there'll be a way for you to get brass from me. Just give me some time. Along with other stuff, everybody's been asking for a patch and a shirt. That's in the works this year. Just give me some time, bros. Break yourself, fool. Let's see if this, yeah, this should totally stop the Glock. There'd be no way. It's just one more. Get a good picture there. That's a good picture. Let's shoot it one last time. The rubber band Glock. The rubber band Glock. Yeah, there's rubber bands in the chamber. That's awesome. Ah! Yeah, we're just gonna call it good. It takes about that many rubber bands to completely stop a Glock. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're safe. Holy shit.
Alright dudes, if you made it this far, I would really appreciate it if you dropped a comment telling me what you thought or giving me suggestions or ideas for new videos. And if you like or dislike, that's huge and helps out my channel a lot. And check out my second channel, Matthew James Beast, link in the description. Thank you for watching.